Hello everyone, welcome to Cambridge A1 Mover Speaking Test. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Tanjung Islam Minor.
Okay, Minar. How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
Okay, Minar. Now let's move to the part 1. Here are two pictures. The pictures look same, but there are some differences. Can you find the differences?
In the first pictures, the girl is playing a ball
With a ball?
with a
Okay.
ball. And the second picture, the girl is playing
Playing
with a sheep.
toy
A
ship.
sheep.
Okay.
In the first picture, there are 5 fish. In the second picture, there are 4 fish.
Fish. Okay.
In the first picture, the weather is cloudy. In the second picture, the weather is sunny.
Good.
In the first picture, the two bottles are fronts of the rock, and the second picture, the two bottles are behind the rock.
Okay. Any more differences?
The girl in the first picture, the girl is wearing a watch. In the second picture, the girl is wearing no watch.
Okay. Now moving to the part 2. This is a picture story. Here the name of the picture story is The Baby and the Comic. So here are 4 pictures. Can you tell me the story?
The girl is reading a comic, and there is a little baby.
Okay. In the picture 2.
The picture 2, the girl is reading the comic and the baby is laughing.
Okay. In the picture 3.
The baby is trying to read the comic and the girl is feeding the rabbit.
Okay.
The baby is reading the comic and the girl is laughing.
The rabbits are
Rabbits are
also
also
looking at them, right? Okay, that's nice. Now moving to the part 3. So here are some pictures in the line. There is one different one, right? So in the first line, which picture is different?
In the first line, the 3 number is different because 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 4 are eatable.
Eatable because there
There
fruits.
are fruits.
And this one is a book.
Bell.
Okay. Now in the second line, which one is different?
In the three pictures, in the
Picture 3 is different. Why? Because there
1, 2 and
4
4 are dancing
and
the 3 number is watching television.
television. Okay. Now in the third line, which one is different?
Number 4 is different because 1, 2 and 3 are animals.
And number 4 is?
And number 4 is a sweater.
Is a sweater. Okay. In the fourth line, which one is different?
1, 2 number is different. Because 1, 3 and 4
there is something under
the bed.
And in the picture 2?
In the picture 2, there are jacket
on the bed. Okay, that's the end of part 3. Now moving to the part 4, I will be asking some questions about your school. Which class are you in?
I read in standard 2.
Okay, that's great. What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 p.m.
Oh, 8 a.m.
8 a.m.
Okay, nice. How do you go to school?
I go to school with rickshaw.
By rickshaw. Okay. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Okay. Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Tariq sir.
Okay. So, do you like your school uniform?
Yes, I like my school uniform.
Okay, that's nice. So, thank you, Mr. Minar. The exam is over. Now look at the camera and say hi.